Okay, so today is your first real challenge. We haven't played around with these much, but this is my favorite part of this class. Is just throwing a challenge at you, a different type of video that I want you to do and seeing if you can do it, right? You are responsible from this point forward for recording all media that you use in this class. If you don't have a phone, we have cameras. You need to figure out how to record. What I want you to do today is create 3 different types of masks. I want you to film them. I want you to set up your camera. You can set it and forget it. You don't have to sit there and move around with the camera. Best case scenario is you just lay it against something, hit record, do a bunch of stuff in front of it, cut it out inside of Premiere. I showed you some examples in the last video on how to do this. You are fully capable of creating these different types of masks. All right. I want you to come up with three different versions. You can do the cutout like I showed you in the last video. You can do the fade out and like I showed you in the last video. And I want you to invent something different. Come up with a way to mask yourself out in some interesting way. I need 3 done today, meaning you need to go film right now and you need to put that film into Premiere immediately and add these effects. Don't overcomplicate it. I need a simple example of a mask. That's it. The masks I showed you took me 10 minutes. You can do this, all right? If you have any questions, concerns, reach out to me immediately. I will help direct you as best I can. So see what you can do with this challenge. Come up with something cool. At the end of the day, that's all we really want to do with video, right? Come up with something interesting. So it's up to you to do that.